Good morning class. Welcome to the online class of Shivaji Institutions. Today I will teach you the chapter number 15 in your literature, the story of a step well. The story of a step well. इसमें पुरानी कहानियों के बारे में बताया गया है. In the story, do you think page number 128C? Do you think all the ancient tales and stories passed on from one generation to another are true? Do you think that the stories which are passing from one generation to another are true? Why do you think so? ऐसा आप क्यों सोचते हैं कि एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन से में जो स्टोरी पास कराई गई है वो ट्रू है? Narrate any one such tale that you might have heard to your partner and share how you feel about it, whether it could be true or not and why. Now let's read the picture story. ये picture story है, इसको हम read करेंगे. देखिए, in this Ajja says, it's a little girl who says, Ajja, do you know the story of the Sumanyaka and the maidens that come down from the moon? He says, do you know the story of the Sumanyaka? क्या आपको Sumanyaka की story पता है? And the maidens that come down from the moon, and the maidens, the ladies that come down from the moon. Do you know the story? No, he said Nuni, the name of the girl was Nuni. You must have heard this story from your grandmother. He says that you must have heard this story from your grandmother. यह story आपने grandmother से देखी होगी, सुनी होगी. After that, is it true that really how Sumanhali got its name? The girl asks, is it true? क्या ये सही है? How Somali got its name? Somali को उसका name कैसे मिला? How Somali get its name? Do you think that there is a well somewhere under the ground? He asks that do you think that there is any well under the ground? Maybe even below the farm of or our house. She asks, maybe below the farm, मतलब farm में खेत में या below our house, या हम लोग घर के नीचे. Now Ajja says, I only know what our ancestors have told me. He says, I only know what our ancestors means पूर्वज, हमारे जो बाप दादा होते हैं, have told me. Come, let me tell you the story. He said, come, let me tell you the story. Now we come to the story. Once upon a time there lived a handsome and brave king named Sumanyaka. एक बार की बात है, once upon a time there lived a handsome and brave king named Sumanyaka. The name of the king was Sumanyaka, but he wasn't just famous for his bravery. He was not only famous for his bravery. The king was an extremely kind and generous man as well. The king was an extremely kind. He was very kind and generous man as well. He was very generous man as well. He was not only famous for his bravery, but other things also, because he was very kind and he was very generous. During his peaceful reigns, once it so happened that the wild animals that lived in the thick forest around the kingdom started entering the villages. They attacked the cattle and destroyed the crops. And एक बार उस समय की बात है, once it so happened that the wild animals that lived in the thick forest, जो जंगली जानवर वहाँ पे thick forest में रहते थे, around the kingdom started entering the villages. They started entering the villages. They attacked the cattle and destroyed the crops, and they also destroyed the crops. ठीक है? उसके बाद next page पे आइए. This worried the king deeply. उसके बाद king बहुत worry हो गया, king deeply. A few days later the king went hunting for these wild animals, and a few days later the king went for hunting for these wild animals. For these wild animals he went for hunting. But he soon lost his way. He lost his way very soon. Where am I? He said, where am I? A hut, I'll find some help there. And he saw a hut and he said that he'll find some help there. After that, the king found an old man sleeping there. The king was sleeping in the hut and waited for him to wake up. When he finally woke up, old man, you look unwell. Are you all right? Now he saw when the finally woke up, old man, you look unwell. Are you all right? क्या तुम सही हो? He asked the old man, are you all right? क्या तुम सही हो? No, I am not, kind man. He asked. He said to the person, no, I am not. हम बिल्कुल फिट नहीं है. ओल्ड मैन ने किंग से कहा कि मैं बिल्कुल फिट नहीं हूँ. I am all alone with no one to help me. I am all alone. मैं बिल्कुल अकेला हूँ and there is no one to help me. I wanted to go to Kashi, but I felt sick and couldn't go. The old man says he couldn't go to Kashi because he was not well and he couldn't go. Somakya saw how unwell the old man was and decided to help him. Now Somakya saw how unwell this old man was. He was very unwell and he decided to help him. After that, I am King Somakya of Somanhali. If you would allow, I would like to help you. If you would allow, I would like to help you. Oh, thank you, Your Majesty, but I don't know how you could possibly help me. Come with me to my kingdom and I will offer you the best treatment I can. He said that come to my kingdom and I will offer you the best treatment under. The old man couldn't believe his good fortune and left for the good kings. The old man couldn't believe his good fortune and left for the good king's kingdom. So now children, come with me to my kingdom and I will offer you the best treatment I can. He promised that he will offer the kingdom. The old man couldn't believe this good fortune and left for the king's kingdom. The old man couldn't believe this good fortune and left for the good kingdom. And he left for the good kingdoms. After that, for an entire month, the old man was given the best treatment and soon he was healthy again. ठीक है? Old man को best treatment दिया गया and he was healthy again. फिर से healthy हो गया. I hear from the chief doctor that your treatment is complete. Ready to visit Kashi now, good sir. He said that ready to visit to Kashi now, good sir. And he said good sir. Now he wanted to visit Kashi again. The king is asking, are you wanting to visit Kashi again? He said, good sir. After that Kashi, I don't need to go to Kashi anymore. He said that I don't need to go to Kashi anymore. I can do what I wanted to here itself. He said that I can do what I want here itself. Here itself, why did you want to go to Kashi? He asked, why did you want to go to Kashi? The king said, the old man told Somanyaka that he was an architect who wanted to build an extraordinary well for the use of people. The old man said that he was an architect and he wanted to build a well for the people. The king listened. And there will be a beautiful statues which will lead to the glorious 7 Shiva temples. And there will be a beautiful statues which will lead to the glorious 7 Shiva temples. There will be led to glorious Shiva temples. I know you must be wondering about the cost. He says, I know you must be wondering about the cost. Don't worry, I have enough hidden treasure below my heart. He said that I have enough hidden treasure below my heart. We can use that. ठीक है बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हम यहीं तक रखते हैं. Thank you and have a great day.